Cyberpunk 2077 next gen patch. The Digital Foundry verdict. Oh, okay. So they fixed up the game?
Yeah. It's nice to know that this company, CD Projekt Red, actually really put forth the effort into making Cyberpunk playable now in older consoles.
Wow.
And this channel, Digital Foundry, they're known to test the limits of graphics and talk about it, and frame rates and all that stuff, deep analysis. And they're happy to say that it is playable in the old version.
So
I think the PS4 and the Xbox.
But the thing is, it says PS5 on the left.
S. Not the S. What's the old one? The 1?
Oh, here we go. That's Series X. See, so far I'm only seeing PS5 and Series X.
Oh, but they used what's the old Xbox?
360.
Not the 360, no.
Xbox One.
Xbox One. Yeah. They tested it out on this too.
Oh, they did. Okay.
But it was mainly the Series X and the PS5.
But it looks to me like the current gen consoles got better as well.
They got better, yeah.
Okay.
All of them got better. Let's just say that.
All better.
It's all mostly patched up.
All better. All right, so now that this is fixed, do I play this or do I play
the Series S? Okay, yeah.
Or do I play what was the other one with the dragon?
Elden Ring.
Do I play Elden Ring or do I play this now that it's fixed?
I don't know. What's your style, man?
I don't know. I'm just asking the people out there.
Cyberpunk?
I'm just asking the people out there. I need to know.
People are saying Elden Ring.
Okay, all right. That's it. I'm a dragon master.
Dragon Slayer.
Oh, Slayer. Oh, I can't have the pet dragon?
Maybe you can.
Because remember George Martin in the show, you can have a dragon.
Yeah. You can be the mother of dragons.
Yeah, you can have your own dragons.